Good morning, Miss Slater's class. It's Mr. Turnbull here with Friday's maths lesson. Before we start today's lesson, let's quickly recap Wednesday's lesson. As you can see, the correct answer is Alex is incorrect. Alex has added the denominators as well as the numerators. We know when the denominators are the same, we just add the numerators. So the correct answer would be 5/9. This challenge was a little bit of a trick question. The answer is that they are both correct. Mo said that there were 1 and 5/13, and Teddy said that there were 18/13. These are both the same. As you can see, what Teddy has done is that he's added 6 and 7/13 to make one whole, and then added another 5/13 on, which has given him 18/13. This is exactly the same as 1 and 5/13. Well done to everyone in school and on teams who submit great answers for these challenges. I know you're working really hard and it's really great to see. So today's learning objective is to be able to add fractions with the same denominator and record the answer in the simplest form. First challenge today. Each strip of ribbon is 3/4 of a metre long. Find the total length of these two strips. This is a bit of a challenge. I've used a pictorial representation to show this. At the top there is 3/4 in orange and 3/4 in blue to represent the two strips of paper. Add these together and we get 6/4. I've written this down as a fraction below. It doesn't quite look right, does it? To help me work out this problem, I've used another pictorial representation. Instead of having the two sets of 3/4 separately, I've coloured in the quarters individually. So as you can see, this is 4/4, which makes one whole, and this is 2/4. We know that 2/4 are equal to 1/2, so we have 6/4 or 1 whole and 1/2. Here is another example, and I'm going to work through this one with you. We have 5/6 and 5/6. I'm going to use this pictorial model to help me. I'll show you how I'm going to do it. 5/6, the first one. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. I'm going to cross this one off because I've covered those 5/6. I'm going to do this one now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we have one complete bar, so this equals 1. And this bar has how many 6 filled in? 1, 2, 3, and 4. 4/6. Now, at the beginning we said that we needed to show the fractions in their simplest form. Now 4 and 6 are both multiples of 2. So, can we simplify it? Yes, we can. 4/6 is equal to 2/3. So our answer would be 1 and 2/3. You might come across questions like this, where we already have a whole number to start with. So this one is 2 and 9/10, add 7/10. What I would like you to do on these ones is ignore this number at the beginning. Then you can simply make this calculation. 9/10 add 7/10 equals 16/10. This can be simplified into 1 and 6/10. Now we need to remember to add our 2 back on that we haven't used. And this would give us 3 and 6/10. These are the challenges that you are going to be completing today. Have a real good go at them and remember all the skills that we've learned in this lesson and the previous lessons in the week and before. Good luck, have a good try. If you've completed all of the challenges that have been set, you can have a go of this challenge. It says how many different ways can you find to solve the calculation. Now this doesn't mean you've just got to find one solution, you've got to try and find as many as you can. Good luck with this one and have a great weekend.